Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device has sound permission and a stable network. This prevents failed uploads. Once done, open WhatsApp and go straight to the individual or group chat where you want the private voice message. Make sure you tap and hold the microphone icon in the text box. Do not lock it yet. You do this because holding records only while you press, giving you precise control. If you need to record hands-free, I'll show the lock option next, so you can continue speaking without holding. Now you record. Press and hold the mic for short takes or swipe up to lock for longer messages. This keeps your hands free and prevents accidental stops. While speaking, keep the phone close to your mouth and avoid background noise so the recipient hears clearly. Once you release or stop, WhatsApp shows a preview. Make sure to listen because you can delete and re-record if the quality is poor. If you're satisfied, proceed to the next step to ensure private delivery. Finally, press send to deliver the voice message. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption so the audio stays private between you and the recipient. If you want the clip to vanish, enable disappearing messages before sending, because that removes the item after the set time. Make sure you confirm the correct chat and recipient name to avoid misdelivery. If sending fails, check microphone permissions, restart the app, and update WhatsApp. These steps fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.